Hello, this is Jake. Welcome back to my automotive channel. Today, I'm actually just taking a nice cruise around the Forster Dean in my lovely 1970 Fiat 500 Hugo. Now, you guys know Hugo. My Fiat 500, 1970, bought it about 3 years ago. Absolutely love the Fiat 500s. Dream car of mine. Never ever sell him. He's just, look at it. I mean, it's a Fiat 500. You can't go wrong. And I thought I'd just do a quick video just to say what's been going on. The channels have been very quiet, even my modelling channel and everything. I've been taking time looking after myself. My house not been absolutely brilliant. I've had co-wards, everything. So I've just been taking time. And it's actually the first time in ages I've took Hugo out. I've took him for once or twice just on the road, but he's been put away at the back of the carport. And I thought it'd just be nice to take him out today. I think I'm going to pick my friends up in it later. Surprise them because they think they're being picked up by the comfy, lovely Volvo V40. But no, they're going to be picked up with Hugo today. So that's going to be a nice shock to their systems. But it's a little bit muddy down here, but I wanted to take some photos. I've just been, you can actually see the college over there. That's where I usually park. Now, I've taken some photos over there and I thought, I wonder if I can actually get around to the back of the college where the ponds are. Because I know you can walk up here, but I didn't know you could drive, and you can. So that's good to know. I wouldn't recommend on bringing my Porsche up here or anything. Well, anything really, unless you've got a 4x4. It's a little bit dodgy in Hugo. But let's just take a look at Hugo. And obviously there are plans within this winter. His engine's going to be done and everything like that. So I'm just going to take you a walk around the car and talk about it. So here he is. Now, again, I should have picked a better place to do this because I'm going to get my trainers muddy. Because what it is, they've been doing a lot of logging around the woods, and I believe this is where the loggers have been working as well. So probably not the greatest place to park up, but anyway, here's Hugo. So he's in a Cha-Cha blue, just in case you forget if you're new to my channel, with these lovely Italian stripes. He got the black vinyl roof and the black interior. Then I got two cushions as well. But of course, if you have been following my channel, you will know now that the interior is being changed out on Hugo to a beige interior, because originally Hugo was tan. He was a creamy tan colour, and he was repainted in this blue back in Italy somewhere. He come over like this, so I think it's time to change his interior back to beige, because originally he would have had a beige interior. I'm guessing, because that's what goes with cream better than having the black with the cream. So yeah, I'm going to change his interior like I said. There's the Fiat 500 Club. There's a link in the description to their Facebook page. So we are going to change his interior this winter. I'm also going to be doing his wheels, so the wheels will be coming off. Basically, he's going to be not stripped down, but a lot of the stuff's going to be taken off him, like the interior, the engine's coming out, the wheels are going to be taken off. Actually, even fuel tank's coming out, because I'm going to be repainting the fuel tank as well. I'm also going to be changing his number plate on the front. I'm going to be getting a smaller one, which I haven't told you guys about yet. The mirrors, I'm actually going to get rid of the passenger mirror, that side, because it does bugger all. Can't see nothing out of it. I'm just trying to find my way around this mud and sheep poo. And yeah, looking at the back end of it, there's nothing I really want to change. Now, I am looking at getting him a different basket. This one's getting a bit old. It's iconic for Hugo. People love his basket, and it's one of the first things. If they know Hugo, they go straight around to the back to see the picnic basket. So I will leave on that for now, but I am looking at getting some old, like 50s or 60s suitcases, so we can have some photo shoots with Hugo with different stuff on the back. And I'm not doing the parade this year like I done last year, the Christmas parade with Hugo. So that's going to be a shame, because I had some Christmas plans for him. But I'll go into that more when we come to the Christmas time. So we'll be taking the engine out. We got to replace the gasket between the engine and gearbox. That's been leaking since the day I bought it. So we got to do that as well. Like I said, the wheels are coming off. So the wheels are going to be painted racing white, which is a creamy white colour. They look really nice. I've actually got a spare rim that I had with the very, very rusty Fiat 500. As you can see there, and I had some spare rims, and I just painted one up one day just to see what the colour would look like, and I really like it, and I really think it's going to help make Hugo pop a little bit better. Now this work I'm doing on Hugo is probably going to last him a nice year, 2 years. The overall plan with Hugo is he's going to have a full restoration within the next 4 years. So I'm looking forward to doing that. I'm not saying he will be in the same colour. I would like to keep the colour, but I'm going to keep an open mind on that. But we'll see. We'll see what... if I fall in love with a colour, then I'll do it. But we'll see. Also, I've got to have a look at the doors because they don't close that great, especially the driver's door, and it's got worse over time. So that's something I'm going to be taking a look at. I want to replace the quarter panel chrome here this winter. I got one of them. I need another, and then the rubbers as well. The glass is okay. It's just the rubbers have gone a bit perished and everything. But again, this car is used a lot more than most Fiat 500s out there because people just buy them and store them and take them out on a nice day. I've took Hugo out in the rain and everything. I wouldn't recommend it. It's not the greatest feeling in the world, but I've been caught in the rain a few times, and Hugo is... I do treat it a bit like an everyday car. He's got marks on him. He's got at least 5 or 6 stone chips on the front of him, but there's no point getting it done because I'll only get stone chips again. So I use it, and all my cars get used. I all pump the mileage up on them because cars are supposed to be driven. Even though I like cars and I want one day to collect a load of cars, I'm still going to put the miles on them because that's what cars are for, is to take them out and enjoy them. And around the Fast Dean, even though we got loads of potholes at the moment, some of the roads are absolutely brilliant, especially the Y road up to Tintern Abbey, which I'm doing a video on very soon. But there's Hugo. There you go. Like I said, he's always going to be here to stay. There's plenty more content coming on him. And I will be keeping you updated with everything, the progress. I will be changing his roof as well, I should say that. His black vinyl roof will be changed to probably a tan one to match the beige interior. He's going to look very different next year. When he comes out ready next year, probably around February time, he's going to look like a new, refreshed Hugo. And I have some great plans for him next year as well. I'm going to be doing some great events, which I'm looking forward to doing. So there we go. That's an update on my lovely little Fiat 500 Hugo. So yeah, loads of different plans. Can't wait to share some of the progress with you. There's some stuff down the pipeline probably next year that I really can't wait to share with you. Hugo is not only gonna be Hugo, but he could have a brother or sister, and it probably will be a sister. So we'll see. I'll keep you updated on all that. But yeah, I love Hugo. I'm gonna do some changes. Nothing drastic apart from the interior. I did mention we might do a change of colour one day on Hugo, but that's just for if I do get him fully restored and everything. We'll see. It's going up and down at the moment. Do I get him restored? Do I not? Because like I said, I do use him quite a bit, and it's not a car that's always going to be shut in, only taking on good days. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will be back very soon with more videos. Now, there's a link in the description to the Facebook page as well, so you can check them out. They've been really good, and I love seeing other people's Fiat 500s. All the Hugo's brothers, sisters and cousins out there. So yeah, thank you. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.